What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl Evelyn Chanel, and of course I am back with another video. So today I have fall on my mind, so I was like, okay, fall is my favorite season, even though it's still summer, which, you know, I'm gonna let summer have this time or whatever, but I just want to create like a little fall copper eye, and I feel like this is so cute, you know? I feel like it's, I don't know, very spice-like. So yeah, I just created like a little fall look, and of course y'all gonna see, so stay tuned for the video so y'all can learn the look. So today for the base, I'm gonna be using the Louise Rumor 4, and y'all already know I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my lid, and then I'm going to of course blend it in. I had to put me a little eyeshadow, one of these down. I don't even know what they really called, but I put one of these down to give me some better control of my shade. So for the eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using my Morphe Boss Move palette, and I'm going to be using this color here. I don't know the name of it, but this is the color that I'm gonna be using to kind of create like the copper look. It's like a orangish, brownish color. So it's not really too copper, but I like it. This is really pretty. I really like this even by itself, but today I'm gonna put a little glitter on it, right? So I'm gonna use this glitter. I got this from my local beauty supply. This is called Golden Pumpkin. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of this with some glitter glue. This is the NYX glitter glue. I got some pink pigment on it, but this is the NYX glitter glue, and of course I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my eyes so I can get like that glittery effect. For the eyeliner today, we're doing a wing eye, as you can see, and we're gonna be using the NYX Epic Wear in the shade Black, and of course, yeah, I'm just gonna follow this and then create the wing. Alright, so moving on to the face, I'm gonna be using my FENTY Pro Filter Primer today, which I need to get some more of. But I'm gonna be using that today just to prime my face for my foundation. For my color correcting today, I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector in the shade Orange, and I'm just gonna color correct, you know, under my eyes a little bit and my chin and stuff. So for foundation today, I think I'm just gonna use concealer, only because that's what I feel like doing today. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna do my highlight, contour, and foundation all at one time. So I'm gonna use the Heartbreaker, the I Heart Revolution Heartbreaker in the shade Honey for my highlights. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion Palette for my contour, and I'm gonna use my NYX my NYX Born to Glow concealer in the shade Cappuccino. Cause yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna start by putting this in my, you know, highlighting everywhere I wanna highlight. Alright, so now I'm gonna contour with this Black Radiance True Complexion Palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just gonna contour my nose, my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. All right, then all the empty spaces, I'm gonna use this Born to Glow concealer. So now that I got everything laid like how I want to, and I know I look crazy. Actually, I don't like how my face looks. But I'm about to spray it with some of my Mario Badescu spray, and then I'm just blend everything in pretty much one by one so that it blends very smoothly, but I'm still just gonna blend everything in. So I'm about to set my highlight. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and then I'm gonna also use my Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder in the shade Gobi. And today, to set my contour, I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Palette in the shade Dark to Deep. And I'm just gonna, of course, set everywhere I applied that contour concealer. And of course, I'm gonna spray my face again and just blend everything in with my Mario Badescu and my flat top brush. And of course, to warm up the look even more, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe bronzer in the shade Trailblazer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit like on my cheeks. And y'all, for my waterline, I'm going to go back into my Morphe Boss Smooth palette, and I'm gonna use that same orange, and I'm just gonna smoke it out. Y'all, I almost forgot to highlight, but today I'm gonna use the highlighter that's in my Black Radiance True Complexion Palette, and it looks like this right here. And of course, I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks and forehead and stuff a little bit. I hope y'all enjoyed this look, or this video rather. Of course, you know, I'm just showing y'all how to do an easy look, getting ready for fall. Of course, I love it. I hope y'all love it too, but y'all already know I feel like it's bomb. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.